Hello viewers and subscribers, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Lyngz.
Pynpaw Bah Ardent ya lightly ki kabu bangidu kum ki riewbam juga Meghalaya. KIWEI ka bangidu ka deka artikel 371. Bat limba ka artikel 371. Sibun ka bawar lai ka jela. Bat penyat kam bat ban sensar daladehi. Hak ba umdan ka anjung ka parlimen ka balaban muslie. Ya karukum im bat ka jingit nyam juki breu. Ki badan hapo jung ka jela. Ka baar ka deka jingdu ya ka kabu. Ban persya ya ka jingai ya ka blok 1 bat ka blok 2 Shamikir Hills jung ka jela Asam. Haus nem khatnais pa sanpuwei. Bat ngim silapan ban ketupiki sa Meghalaya. Haus nem khatnais pa nrup khandai. Kabalai ka deka jingdu ya ka kabu. Ban penlong ya ka Meghalaya kum KIWEI na ki jela ki bakrau jong ka India. Bah Ardent loong ka jingkren u ya kini ki kentien. Ka de namar ba ukwa ban tu ya ka partai baru KIWEI. Namar kumbalong KIWEI ki jaj benreu ha India. Mangiru ngidon la ka jong ka khana ka pateng. Ka riti ka dustur, ka jinghir pateng, ka rukum im, ka rukum pate ka khandeu ka siap. Bat kilat bernada ya ka jaj benreu. Madeka khandeu ka siap jungi.
Hello everybody. Today I would like to speak about the 3 missed opportunities as the indigenous tribal of Meghalaya. Firstly, we missed the opportunity of becoming the state under Article 371, where more powers are given to the state to administer and govern itself, where no act of parliament can apply in respect of social religious practices of that particular state. Ownership and transfer of land and its resources, administration of civil and criminal justice according to the customary laws of that particular indigenous tribe in that particular state. Secondly, we missed the opportunity to oppose the transfer of Block 1 and Block 2 into Sngap Hills in 1951 and to ask for its inclusion in Meghalaya in 1969. Thirdly, we missed the opportunity of transforming Meghalaya into one of the top states in India. Despite huge potential in minerals, you may ask me why I speak about these 3 missed opportunities. The reason is that I want to tell the whole world that as any other tribal community in India, we also have our own history, our culture, our traditions, our practices, our system of land holding, and measures to safeguard and protect our own community and our land. Perhaps the government of India is not aware of this history, which is why till today the government of India is adopting a stepmotherly treatment towards the state of Meghalaya. Thank you.